Research objectives are broad and research questions are specific. In some cases, they could also be same. That is to say, research questions are in the form of questions and research objectives are in the form of statement. In every research, we identify some problems and try to find out solutions to those problems. Research objectives are the various reasons why you are embarking on the study. So what you want to achieve at the end of your study becomes your objective. The objectives can only be set after you have decided on the problem you will want to solve. Research questions, on the other hand, refers to the questions you will ask yourself in order to obtain answers to the problem you want to solve at the end of the study. Usually, each objective must have a corresponding research question. I think there is no difference on the content of research question and research objective. It is more about the form. On the research question, you make a question about the problem that need to be answered by the research, while on research objective, you state what is the gap and action to be taken to cover that gap.